In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Paybis with bank transfer. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment to open up the official Paybis website, and then from there, you want to create your account. In case you don't know how to create an account, I also have a tutorial on this on my channel, so make sure you check that out first, create your account, and get access to your member area over here where you can go ahead and then buy your Bitcoin. So once you're in the member area, click on the buy button top left, and then here you can see there's like a symbol exchange window where you can go ahead and click on the buy button. And then after you do that, here you want to first select the bank transfer. So click on over here on this button, and here first select your currency, so whatever you want to do. I'm going to use euros, and down at the bottom here it says SEPA or SEPA bank transfer. Okay, so if you want to do a bank transfer, click on that and then select how much you'd like to spend. Okay, so let's say I want to spend 100 euros and I want to buy Bitcoin with that. Okay, so as you can see over here, it says that you have to buy at least 200 euros per order if you're trying to use a bank transfer. So I'm going to change this to 200. There we go. And then here, if you have a promo code, you can type it in here. And down here, you'll see how much of Bitcoin you'll actually receive. Now, if it doesn't say BTC or Bitcoin over here, click on here and select Bitcoin from the list. It should be at the very top. After that, click on Buy Bitcoin, but before that, you'll be able to see the commission details. So the service fee and the network fee are going to be listed down here. You can convert that to see how much that actually is in your currency. And after that, click on Buy Bitcoin. Now, after you click on Buy Bitcoin over here, as you can see, you can select the external wallet you would like to essentially receive your Bitcoin to, okay? So the way you do this is you basically just gonna have to have a wallet somewhere else. So for example, like on Phantom or maybe even Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or any other wallets, like maybe even Binance, Coinbase, whatever. And then you wanna just find Bitcoin in there in that wallet, and you wanna get your receiving address, so your wallet address to which you're gonna receive your Bitcoin. So I'm going to click on receive here on Phantom, for example, click on copy, and I'm going to paste in my wallet address. Now make sure you double check this to actually get the correct address, because otherwise your Bitcoin could get lost. Now after you do that, of course, you can also scan the QR code if you want this to be quicker. So if you have a phone and, for example, you have your wallet, your crypto wallet you would like to use to receive the Bitcoin on your mobile device, you can just use the mobile device app, and then you can, of course, scan the QR code over here and receive your crypto on there. After you're ready, click on continue. And when you click on continue over here, you're going to have to go through a quick verification. Okay, so as you can see, it's like just a quick verification over here. You can continue over here or on the phone. And after you do that, you'll be able to review that and then trigger your transaction yourself via your bank account. Okay, so that's pretty much how you do it. Just keep on following these buttons and you are good to go. And I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.